kamat ILP bat kamat ban penrung ya Ktien Khasi bat Garo haka schedule jongka constitution jongkari India kalah Sawa jam meningas ngi hapoh parlemen lyngba UMP natura U Saleng Sangma U Saleng ubala keren bon teliki man nadu kibadon ji yadai habarok kawai kari India hanod is Manipur berkendian minit ulah keren ru yaki isu kibayadai berkejelah Meghalaya kumka ILP kajing penrung ya Ktien Khasi berkaro haka schedule kajing kayu to ya ukwai usini sa Bangladesh berkajing ya orang lailan kimender kum kirohingkia saka jelah ta kajing bomdon ki checkpoint ki babiang.
When we come to the Meghalaya, Madam Chairperson, the Meghalaya has taken the resolutions on Garo Khasi language to be included in the 8th schedule, when we could have portrayed our beautiful language in this wonderful, diversified decorum of the country. And another one, ILP, that is also been taken the resolution on the floor of the House, Madam Chairperson. Now, we know that in the Northeast, it has got quite alarming check of illegal immigration. Just few days back, hundreds of Rohingya immigrants, they have already migrated to India. Now we don't have the proper checking point, ma'am. So that's why if we could do it, serious checking in this border region. Last, ma'am. Now, rampant smuggling is happening, and with that rampant smuggling along the border, this Rohingya and all the other anti-social elements that like drugs and all the others are coming through, ma'am. So if the checking point can be put up in these border areas, even the smugglings of areca, even the smuggling of drugs, even the smuggling of sugars, this is happening. That's why the local consumers are having the problem in those states.